Scrolling through the dusty relics at a local yard sale, my fingers brushed against a vintage typewriter. Its keys were cold, whispering secrets of a bygone era. That night, as the moon eerie shadows in my apartment, the typewriter clacked to life, unprovoked. Letters appeared, forming sentences that detailed the hidden sins of my neighbors. I watched in disbelief as it revealed Mr. Jensen's affair, Mrs. Thomason's embezzlement, and chillingly, a plan for an unsolved murder. Each revelation was more sinister, making my heart pound with dread. Driven by curiosity and fear, I dug deeper, only to find my own name etched into their secrets. The final message typed itself with a dreadful finality. "They know you're reading this. Run." As I looked out my window, the lights in their houses flickered on, one by one, eyes peering through the darkness, searching. The weight of their secrets now threatened,